So hello, I am Paul Edison Silva from BSA 11. So I will present to you my national issue or concern in Module 4 of National Service Training Program or NSTP. First is what national issue and concern I am connected with. So the national issue I was connected with or related with is the environmental crisis that we are confronting right now or today, because as steward of this earth or of this environment, it is my duty to preserve and to sustain its aesthetics or beauty. Next is who or who are the involved individuals, organizations, or institutions. So for my answer, almost all of the individuals and organizations that benefit from the environment, just like the tree cutters or the businesses. So however, a government sector from the Philippines named Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR supervises the development, utilization, conservation of the country's natural resources or even wildlife. So, however, there are many NGOs that fights for the rights of our environment. Many Many individuals protest from the government for the preservation and sustainability of the environment. So, in this question, almost all of the individuals are involved in this issue. So, where related place or venue? So currently, it is not just happening in our country, but all over the world or globally. So the environmental crisis or phenomena that we are facing today are globally, not just nationally. So, what are the reasons for the existence of the national issue or concern? So, for me, on my perspective, many individuals are being ignorant on our surroundings and unsatisfied with their possessions. They are not aware and well informed about the proper utilization and the gradual annihilation of the environment. And some of them are greedy for everything, having no care for the sake and preservation of the environment, and in this case, they mistreat and misuse the environment's resources. So instead of preserving it, they mistreat it, they abuse it for their own sake, and they are limiting the Earth's life just by doing it. So, what are my personal recommendations and solutions for this problem? I think, as a student and based on my perspective, many personalities that are popular nowadays, which are called influencers, can help. They tend to influence many people through social media and also on television appearances. These personalities can inform and make a movement about our environment, wherein their followers can be also inspired and influenced by their role models. So another recommendation is the merchandising of plants and trees, which is very popular from these people nowadays, wherein some of the keepers are called plantitos or plantitas. So by selling many plants today, many people will start to create their own gardens, create their own lots with food filled with plants and trees. So by selling many plants today, many people will start to help the environment by lessening the different toxics or carbons that are surrounded here in our world. The gases that were produced from the greenhouse gases, such that. And lastly, I think we should make a campaign wherein each end of the month, every barangay will conduct a tree planting programs for all the residents to lessen the pollutions, the landslides, and the soil erosion that we are having right now. Mostly if there's a La Nina happening in the country wherein many people are being killed by these typhoons because of lack of trees, lack of environmental resources. So with this program, even a 5-year-old kid or our future generation kid that participates will be informed on our environmental issue So even a child could help to lessen this or to stop this environmental issue that we are confronting right now. So we must all unite. All of the people in this world must all unite. For what? For the betterment of the country. So that's it. That's my presentation. I hope you are informed, and I hope you can also help to save our environment. So thank you for listening. I hope you learn. Thank you. God bless. Let's save the earth. Bye.